Riley's supposed to be sleeping. Hey you. Why aren't you sleeping, little one? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock, Riley girl. Yeah, you're supposed to be sleeping. Yeah. Uh-huh. Hey, Riley girl. You don't feel like sleeping today? Yeah. Does this mean you're gonna sleep all night once you finally do fall asleep? Did you say in your dreams, Mom? Uh-huh. Oh. Yeah. Did we try out your new stroller today? Huh? Uh-huh. You like facing forward, don't you? Careful, don't choke yourself. You like facing forward, huh, Riley? Yes. Did we take a walk? We did. Was Morgan and Daddy there too? Mm-hmm. You like eating your hands. Yes, you do. Hey, right girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Yeah. Hi. Hi. All right. Say good night, everybody. Good night. Say, I'm so tired. I can't wait to go to sleep. Yeah. Say, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Say, I can't wait to go to sleep. Yeah. Say, I'm going to sleep really long. Uh-huh. I'm going to sleep for a long time. Yeah. Say it, right? Say, I'm going to sleep all night. Yeah.